you want it to make?
Diamond.
Can you show me? Okay, that's a diamond. That's a
Diamond.
template. And Ryan got the diamond too, like square shaped diamond. Okay, and Rex, what was yours?
Star.
Star. I love that star. It's gonna turn out so good.
When you put it like this.
Okay, we do templates, and I'm gonna give you guys a cardboard. Okay.
Okay.
Here's a cardboard. We need a cardboard to trace the shape on here. Okay. Here's your cardboard, and here's yours. Okay. And you have to trace two. I gave you two shapes, right? You each have two of the templates. Yes, two of the same template.
Pencil.
Yes. With the pencil. With the pencil. Okay. Guys done tracing?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Ryan. Haley. Okay, you got two shapes done. Good job. Okay, now with the scissor, we're gonna cut it. Okay?
No, I'm trying my best. It's rain.
Okay, is your template all cut out?
Yeah.
Show me. Show me your template. Okay. Okay.
This glue has wings. Show you.
Yeah. And you're gonna glue it together. Glue those two together.
Kind of slippery.
Yeah, and let it dry. Okay. While you let it dry, we're gonna cut. You see here on my fidget spinner, there's a little circle, right? That turns. So we're gonna cut that out. Okay. Good job. Ryan wants a rectangle.
I didn't spread the glue out.
You want a triangle?
Like that. Like that.
Are you guys all done cutting?
Yeah.
Color.
My
Okay.
favorite part.
Okay. You can color it. There is a marker behind the board.
Yep.
Yep. And start coloring. Start decorating your fidget spinner. He loves green, huh?
Yeah.
Rex loves green.
And yellow.
Mhm.
I love red and blue.
Okay, keep coloring, Ryan. Yeah, you can color everywhere.
I need red, so I'm waiting.
Okay. Okay, are you guys done coloring?
Yeah.
Okay, since Ryan is so tired right now, so I'm gonna use Ryan. So we're gonna poke in the center with this one. Okay, and we're gonna poke here. See? And we're gonna poke all the other things too. Other.
Now they're dead.
Okay, like this. Okay. Go like this.
Poke it through the
Uh-huh. And poke the other, the center, that's whatever, the handle you, okay, like this. And we hot glue the top. Once you put the hot glue on top, so it doesn't poke your finger when you spin it, okay? Now Ryan's fidget spinner, oops, I dropped